Hey, it's Melissa. A great time to get your garage organized is in the fall. And hopefully we have some cooler weather coming up so we can get the job done. So I've got some tips for you. And one of the things is to get all your rakes and brooms and things up off the floor and onto a gadget like this. And keep everything out of the way. Another thing to do is get your bikes and things up off the floor and hang them, like I've got these bikes, hang them off of the ceiling in your garage. Having stuff up on shelves is a great idea. So if you don't have any shelves in your garage, get yourself some of these. I got several of these. I get them from Home Depot for 40 bucks. And I like to put things in tubs so, you know, roaches can maybe stay out and you can see what's inside the tubs. A great place to keep your tools is in a toolbox. And I've got a couple here. I actually got them at a yard sale a few years ago, so they didn't cost me too much money. So as long as you keep stuff and put it back in the toolbox when you're done, then you'll be using them wisely. When you're through using all your lawn equipment and especially your tools, be sure you put everything back up in its place so you can find it easier next time you need it. You've cleaned out your garage. Congratulations. Now we're going to do this stuff. Well, if it's usable and it's not trash, you can take it to a place like Angel's Attic or Goodwill, and it can be sold. And if it's large stuff, maybe you have a bunch of stuff for you can fill the back of a truck. It needs to go to a dumpster. There are places around the county and the city that you can take it to for free and dump it. I know Summer Meyer's a place. It's off 290. And I think it's open like Wednesday through Sunday or something like that. So I hope you guys get your garage cleaned out this fall while the weather's cool. It's a great time to get it done. All right, take care. A great place to keep your tools is in a toolbox. Hey, go away. Get all your brushes, your brooms, and tools all up off the floor and on the wall. Ah.